Friends, thank you for coming back. This is Elaine Marie. I painted this the other day, and I thought we could do that today. You got the sunrise, some water there. Look how beautiful the water, and you got the sky. And we have someone fishing. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have our colors. We have dark green, light green, black, light blue, white, orange, and yellow. Okay. I sprayed my canvas with a little water. I have my flat brush. And I'm going to come in with some light blue, very much on the bottom. There you go. And I hope everyone is doing great today. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's so light and looks so lovely. Okay, we're going to dab that again. There's some blue going on up here. There you go. Okay. Always make sure your brush has some water on it. Okay, now, what we're going to do now, there you go. I'm going to just take some white, okay? I'm going to run some white and blend that up. There you go. I'm going to blend that up. There you go. I'm going to dab some white down here. We're going to blend it up. Now, what we're going to do, in that area right there, okay, I'm going to switch brushes. It'll be the same type. And we have the flat. I'm going to come in with some orange. Oh, that's very pretty. He's blending very nice with the white that we have on the canvas. Okay, tap out a little bit more. And always remember, you can always dry your canvas after you do some of the painting with the sky or water. And you can then go over and start doing things that you want to do on your painting. Now we're going to dab a little yellow. Let me see, maybe let's do a little yellow right here. Oh, I like that. And that's really pretty. And I like that little orange on the bottom. Oh yes, I'm very, very happy with that. Very happy. Alrighty. So now we're going to take our angular brush. Okay. And then we're going to come in with some black. Okay, this will probably be right about here. Or horizontal. Right about a little above the orange right there. We're going to run that right across. There you go. That's our horizon line. Just goes horizontal. Now over here, what we're going to do, like we did right here, we're going to take the angular brush, and you're going to come out like this. Okay, you can give it a little swirly like this. There you go. There you go. This is going to be our land. We're doing the dark black because we're going to do green over that. So we'll do some nice layers of different colors. Okay, and over here, what we could do, we'll come up and around, and then we'll go straight across, again. All you're doing, there you go, is dabbing. Just use your brush like that and just dab. And that'll be laying on the side. Okay, on the water here. There you go. Oh, I'm loving it already. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take your whisk brush like this, and you're going to dab it into, okay, some of the dark green with just a little dab of the black. Okay, so we're going to do some dabbing. And that's giving us our texture of the grass. And it's cool because we have the dark black underneath. Okay. There you go. And that's all you're doing is dabbing. Okay. Now you just dry that off a little bit. And we're going to come in with some, this is like a lime green. Okay, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my smaller whisk brush. Okay, there you go. There you go. Oh, and it's just bringing it right to life. It looks beautiful. Now you're going to just take a little of your white, okay, some of that light green. There you go. Giving it a little bit of that highlight. Alright, that's our land area right here. And I hope everyone is having fun. Now, I want you to come back to step number 2, and we're going to get our tree in. That'll be fun, friends. And thank you for tuning in today, and I will see you at step number 2. Thank you. Bye-bye now.